the party funding, take me off from the bank account as well as the other colleague while we were three. And we was not even called in when we were taken off by FNB together with one colleague. Now all of a sudden, I have decided to block the bank because I've told them, you have double-crossed your own rules. Because you could have first called us in before you removed the two of us. So you committed fraud against the two of us, which is members of the party, executive, and all of a sudden, the other one which was with me in Parliament, Mr. Benson Bonisho Kapala, took me to the High Court. Now him and Yewat Beekers has connived, both of them against me, and filed together because of a position of party leadership against me.
So who exactly is leading WRP as we speak right now?
We, at Parliament, is at me. Outside, at EGN is Yewat Beekers.
Any chance of coming back to
There
Parliament?
will be no WRB election to come again, because I've told my colleagues,
So you
don't vote for any one of them.
So you are not going to participate in the election this year?
We won't. They can try to do that, but they will never come here, because I've told my colleagues, hey, go to another parties and go and vote. Don't just stay there without voting for better, because we can go fighting as from 2015 up to today and expect, I must tell my people to go and vote for WRP now.
Are you going to join another party or what?
Yes, I will definitely go to another party.
Which party?
But up until that time, I won't indicate and tell somebody to which party I am going, but definitely not those who are at Parliament right now.
Are you going to swap?
What? Never in my life.
Not those who are in Parliament right now, so I'm going to LPM.
PDM, LPM.
LPM definitely yes.
Also, you are joining LPM.
Yes, I've told also all my guys, go and vote for LPM so that we will start with somebody who has got sober mind, not people. They can remove me, I don't care. It's just a few months and all of a sudden I will get what belongs to me. And I will, in any case, drag them to court so that I will get back all those money which I have lost because of them dragging me to court.
But did you lose any money? That's parliamentary allocation. That's not your money.
The money I used at the court is my salary, not party money. So they will pay me back each and every cent I paid for the lawyers.
Why don't you just resign?
I won't resign.
Why? Because you are ready. You are
Because
prepared to
I brought this party to Parliament
Now tell us.
with my colleagues who give me that 5-year contract.
who are those colleagues?
It's Swati and Kufut
Okay.
and their families.
Okay. Now
It's the people who brought WRB, because WRB, since it existed as from 1990, had never ever had any place which they could go and put their name, like whether if it is municipal elections, whether if it is National Assembly or presidential, they never could do that. Since we had agreed on terms and conditions, on that terms and conditions,
So you are.
we did join them, WRB.
So you are saying, what you are saying basically here is that you and your SWAT members
Yeah.
are now going to join or to support the LPM.
100%.
Okay. Now tell us something. You know the fight that is within WRP now. we understand that there's nothing else apart from the money that is in the bank account. Are you still fighting for that money? Or?
Money which is in the bank account, it was me who had blocked it.
So you want to
So
claim
that
that money?
no one of them.
So what is going to happen to the money when
I
you
will-
when you dissolve the party?
If they take me out today, I will send back the money to Treasury because I have the authority on that.
It's public money.
It's public money. That's why who I'm representing is the Parliament and the state. Parliament belongs to the state, and I'm part of the state. Therefore, I will send back the money to Treasury with immediate effect. Nobody will stop it.
Right.
Do you want to come back to Parliament under the LPM banner?
If they give me that chance, I will come back.
But don't you think it's part of maybe your terms and conditions? Or are you just supporting them without any conditions, unconditional?
I have.
Or are you saying I'm supporting you on condition that I also
Go to Parliament.
I'm also part of your parliamentary.
That one is between me and LPM. So that one will stay as is.
So you have strings attached.
Because that one is our baby. We'll find out after the elections what would happen.
Okay.